Welcome to our stylish ideas for wearing lace and floral red bras. Our collection is perfect for adding a touch of sophistication and sexiness to any outfit, and we're excited to share some fun ways to incorporate our bras into your wardrobe. Models are shown wearing the bras with various outfits, including blazers, crop tops, and sheer blouses. For a chic and sophisticated look, pair our red lace bras with a blazer and high-waisted pants or skirts. The peekaboo effect of the lace adds just the right amount of sexiness to the outfit, while still keeping it classy. Or, for a more daring look, wear our red floral bras under a sheer blouse or top. The intricate floral details will add a touch of femininity to your outfit, while the sheer fabric creates a playful and daring effect. And no matter how you choose to wear our lace and floral red bras, you can trust that our collection is crafted with the finest materials and attention to detail, ensuring both comfort and style. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed these stylish ideas, please consider subscribing to our channel for more fashion inspiration and beautiful lingerie collections.